Hello, today we're going to show you how to submit an event on HerHub's website. So we're starting off on the home page of HerHub, which is www.419herhub.org. The first thing we're going to do is come up to the Events tab. If you hover over it, you can get this drop down that says Submit Event. This is what you want to click on. Now I am already logged into my account. If you are not logged into your account, first it's going to take you to a page to have you log into your account with either your username or email, and then to put your password in. After you submit that, you'll be taken to this page. So the first thing we want to do is put our event title in. You want to put an event description, put anything you want in here to describe what's going on. Pick your date and time. We'll just go with this, but if you click on here, you can pick different dates and then pick your end time as well. So you can also schedule multiple events. So if you have a series going on, say something that happens every Wednesday night, you can go ahead and put that on there. Please upload an image if you have an image for your event. You can do that. You can select an event category. This will help people search for your event. So you'll see if you click in the box, different things will pop up and you can just pick whichever category fits your event the most. You can also add the venue. So if you click the drop down, we have some places that are here in our area that you can choose from. If you need to create a place, what you're going to do is type in this box here. After you type it in, all you have to do is click. Now it's going to ask for the address. So you can just go ahead and enter your address and your phone number if you'd like, and your website if you'd like. You can also choose an organizer. And then you can add an external link. So this is where the people will be directed when they click the link in your listing on the calendar. So if you want them to go to your website to get more information, that's what you would put here. And then the cost. You can also leave this blank if you'd like. And then next you're just going to hit Submit Event. Now it's going to tell you that your event has been submitted. We will approve the event and you should expect to be up on our calendar within 24 to 48 hours. If you have any questions about this tutorial or anything else about HerHub, please email us at hello@419herhub.org. Thank you.